friends, welcome back. Today I would like to share details regarding drip irrigation that we are going to implement in our agriculture farm. This is actually a PVC drip irrigation. We're using PVC pipes. Traditionally, we used to have drip pipes which had a lot of drawbacks, like it is used to be bitten by mouse, and it is very difficult to maintain. But these PVC pipes are more durable and easy to maintain, so it will be a good thing if you implement this in agriculture farm.
Basically,
farmers
for
use
implementing
these pipes
PVC
for
irrigation in the coconut farm, we need three different sizes of pipe.
Disadvantage is
One
every
is
time
a 2-inch pipe,
we have to
another
grow the
one
land,
is
we
a
have to
sublime, which is
this
1.25 inch, and the
side, so
half-inch
that
pipe
it will
which
be
connects the trees.
tractors.
So I just show you the
additional
2-inch pipe here,
labor
which goes along the
involved in
boundary of the farm.
And it is easily bitten by
Which
rats.
for
again,
to this we connect 1.25
summer
inch pipes as a subline.
You can see a 2-inch pipe
so additional
goes
maintenance
along
charges
the
will be
boundary
there
of our
throughout the
farm.
year for these
And
type
this
of
pipe
pipes
will be connected with
over PVC pipes.
1.25 inch pipe which goes across the coconut plantation. These are sublines, and these sublines are connected to half-an-inch pipe, as you can see here. This is the half-an-inch pipe. This will take water to the trees, so we have to lift this pipe from this half-an-inch using an elbow, and then you have to provide a cap here with a hole. This will provide water to the trees.
This is a 1.25 inch pipe, that is a 40 pipe, PVC pipe, which goes across the coconut plantation, which we connect it to the 2-inch pipe, and to this we connect half-inch pipe. This will take water to the trees.
You can see the tractor here. This is the tool which is put into the tractor with a big plow. This plow is attached with an half-a-foot rod, which will take the pipe further down. Based on the number of rows, we need that many number of 4-ways. Every subline will be connected with this 4-way to half-inch pipe. This 4-way is 1.25 to half-inch 4-way. This half-inch pipe is fitted with a collar, 3-way collar, and 3-way collar, a pipe will take you to an elbow, and another pipe like a stand. This stand will be fixed with an cap which has holes. From that holes, water will be given to the trees. This is a half-inch pipe through which we water the coconut trees. This pipe might break when coconut falls directly on it, or a coconut leaf fall on it, and also when tractors knock it off, then also chances are more it will break. So in order to protect this, we use a stone of 2 feet length. This is the stone 2 feet length of 2 feet length. This will protect this pipe. Whenever the coconut falls, chances are more it will fall on this stone than this pipe. So this pipe will be easily protected, and whenever we are plowing the land, the drivers can easily notice this, and they
can avoid this accidentally breaking this pipe.
This is the cap which we put to the holder here. You can see the holes. We will make one or two holes to this cap through which water will be provided to the coconut tree. You can see a PVC pipe here. This is a PVC stand which we use to give water for the trees. Instead of using this PVC pipe, we can also use a black pipe, which is a flexible pipe. If you advantage of using that pipe is you don't have to put a stone to protect this pipe. In that way we can save some money over there. Advantages of PVC pipe are many. They are more durable, easy to maintain. Rat bites are very less. They can't even bite this PVC pipe, so the damages from rat bites are very less. So it is good to go for PVC drip irrigation